All right, so here we're supposed to find the fifth root of 243. So now we have to think about what numbers would probably give us 243. Well, if we think about this, this is going to be a 3 times a 3 times a 3 times a 3 times a 3. So here we're going to have 9 times 9 is 81 times a 3, and that's going to be 243. So odd root again, so we can take that. So that's going to be a negative 3 is going to be our solution. Now this one says approximate. So that means we're going to actually have to use our calculator. So let's go and see what that would look like on our calculator. And so here we have a calculator. And what we have to do is we have to type 75, raise that to the power 1/3. And so how we're going to do this is we're going to take and just do this 75 raised to the power, and we do 1 divided by 3, and then we hit enter. And so our answer, if we round to say the hundredth, is going to be 4.22. Now, for other people, they're going to have different kinds of calculators on how that works. And so when you do that, you're going to have to remember when you raise it, because it's not going to have this box, you're going to have to raise it to the power and then 1 divided by 3 all in parentheses. Because if you don't do parentheses, it's going to take it 75 to the 1/3 power, or to the 1 power, and then divide that whole thing by 3, and you're going to get a much different number than that. And so either way, you get the same answer. But if you don't put it in parentheses on certain calculators, you're going to get the wrong answer here. So going back to here, that was again 4.22. And again, it's going to probably tell you what you need to round it to. I'm just going to say let's round it to the nearest hundredth, and so that would be what our solution is here. All right, let's pause here and we'll come back for some more.